Introducing Tecno Spark 8 Pro smartphone in Turquoise Cyan. It comes in a size of 16.9 into 7.7 into 0.9 centimeters and weighs 196 grams. This is also available in Interstellar Black. It has a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. This touchscreen smartphone comes with 6.8 inches FHD+Display and 90.52% screen-to-body ratio. It has a side fingerprint sensor and 120Hz touch sampling rate. The 48-megapixel high-resolution AI triple camera comes with super night mode and intelligent focus, while the 8-megapixel front camera comes with dual front flash. It has a Helio G85 octa-core 1 GHz Mali G52 GPU robust gaming processor. The 5000 mAh battery gives up to 63 days standby time, and the 33-watt Type-C fast charger ensures rapid charging. The box includes the smartphone, 33 watts power adapter, USB Type-C cable, TPU cover, and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.